Levine. This record is more about my music and my songs. It's about the vocal performance, and the quality of the production and the instruments is different in the sense musically that it's not as pop, rock, and aggressive and bratty and in your face. I think I covered that on the last 3 albums. This is the first time I've ever produced anything. I had no idea I'd ever do that. I produced 3 songs, and I think that's something I'm really proud of myself for. I've always been a really sensitive person, even as a child, very emotional, very expressive, so I enjoyed writing poems and writing songs. It's just part of my story in life, all my songs. When I hear those songs, it kind of makes me smile.